Are you wondering how SERP can help you make your content creation process faster, more efficient, and easier to manage? So today I will show you just that. Let's go through the whole content creation process with SERP step by step. To write good content, you first have to plan it. This is what Content Planner is for. The tool will give you a content plan for your whole niche. All you have to do is type your seed keyword. You will get hundreds of content ideas along with data on search volume, search intent, and the number of keywords. All of the keywords are collected into groups that you can easily target with one content piece. You will easily build topical clusters, avoid content gaps, and cut down your keyword research time. Now that you have content ideas for the upcoming months, you can get into the writing phase. Based on the top performing pages, SERP generates content guidelines powered by the natural language processing. You will get data on word count, content structure, and most importantly, a list of words and phrases relevant to your topic. The content score is a powerful metric that represents the overall quality and relevance of your content. The higher your score is, the more likely your content is to rank high for your keywords. You can change competitors for your analysis, select terms you want to use as headings, pick topics and questions to cover, and add important notes. Content Editor is also super easy to share with your writers. Now let's move on to Domain Planner. This tool generates an optimization action plan for your site. Integrate it with your Google Search Console and get the list of your 100 best performing pages with additional data on search intent and feature snippet opportunities. And if you want to review just one page and get a much more accurate SEO audit, try the audit feature. How much content should you add or remove to hit the sweet spot? Which important terms do you need to add or remove to serve your users better? Is your page fast enough? Those are the questions the audit will answer. And for every SEO who wants to scan the SERPs and find out what makes the top ranking pages rank so well, here's SERP Analyzer. SERP will let you check the correlation between a position in SERP and a ranking factor like word count, keyword density, number of images, and more. SERP makes it easy to keep track of your progress, increase the quality of the whole site, and deliver well-performing content every single time. That's the power of content intelligence. Start the 7-day trial just for $1.